Hello, and welcome back to our channel. You've already read the title, now let's get into it. Number 1. Enigmatic music mixes. Compiling mysterious and atmospheric music mixes to enhance focus or relaxation. You can take your listeners on a mysterious journey through carefully curated music blends that captivate the imagination. You've seen this type before with rain and relaxation videos. Number 2. Alternative book summaries. Providing humorous and concise summaries of classic and modern literature. With this channel, you would offer unconventional, yet concise book summaries that provide fresh perspectives and unique insights. Number 3. DIY optical illusions. Creating optical illusions using household items and explaining the tricks behind them. Unleash your creative side by learning how to craft mesmerizing optical illusions using everyday materials, then showcase them to your audience. Number 4. Ancient artifacts unveiled. Showcasing rare and curious artifacts from ancient civilizations. Here's a channel where you would delve into the intriguing world of ancient artifacts as their secrets and historical significance are revealed. And finally, number 5. Forgotten technology revival. Rediscovering and adapting obsolete technology for modern use. This channel would focus on the forgotten technologies of the past, and explore their potential for modern applications and innovations. This is all for today. If you like what you've heard so far, please check back tomorrow for more. Also like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye for now.